Hello there, I've literally gone out today and bought one of these. I was really excited about it. I got home and I really struggled to use it, but now I've cracked it. So I want to let you know how to use it. You're pretty much going to have to use the zipper on the tape and the individual zippers. So basically on the front of this, I'm not paid nor sponsored to create this video, but I will be providing a link down below, and I may get a small commission because it's an Amazon link if you decide to purchase at no extra cost to you. So basically there's a number 3 and a number 5. What I was trying to do, I don't know why I was trying to do this, but I was trying to put the whole zipper on here, and that's not the case. You are not trying to get the whole zipper, on here. You are trying to get this little section on here. So I'm going to show you. So your tab is going to be hanging, and you're basically just getting this portion on. So it's that little bit here that is on the device, the handy zipper jig. So basically, when you look at it this way, you can get your zipper tape all the way in, and you can see that it's just hanging on by the detail on the front. So I am going to place my zipper onto the zip, and then it's going to be right sides. So it's going to be like this. So your zipper is going to be facing away from you, as is the zipper at the top here. So basically you need to open this out, and then you're going to get one side in, and it does flop out sometimes, so just be careful. The number 3 is a little bit more fiddly than the number 5. Basically going to pull one side of the tape in, and then you're going to put the other side of the tape in. So you're going to bend it over, and you're going to pull that in, and you're going to pull it all the way down. So you should be able to grab 2 ends and pull all the way down. I would recommend just keep going so that zipper tape is fully closed, and then doing the whole process all over again. And then I pulled it on for a second time, and then I can just leave it in the middle there, like so. So the number 3 is a little bit more fiddly than the number 5, but it takes a little bit of practice. And trust me, when I first purchased it, I thought, oh, what have I done? I'm going to waste some more money. But they do actually work once you get the hang of it. So here we go. Here's my number 5 zipper. And remember, we're not trying to get the zipper in. We're just getting the decorative part all rested just like that. So it's the decorative part that's holding on this zipper part that is wedged in to the zipper jig, and then that leaves it all free for us to feed in the zipper. So it's the top of it is facing, like the back of it is facing towards you, and then you're going to get the zipper, and that's going to be facing away from you, and the zipper is going to be facing away. I'm going to put one side in and feed the other side in, and then pull that down, so then it'll go on like so. So I'll just do that again for you. So this is the zipper, and you pop it on here, and then this is all free. You have to open part of this, and then you can put one side in first, and then you feed the other side of your tape in, and then you can feed all the way down. A little bit harder for me to show you because I'm filming, but please, honestly, it's really, really simple. And the one thing I was doing wrong was it pops on to this little like holder thing, and you're not going through the zip. That just slides on, and it just slides off like so. and then you've got access to the actual zipper. I have no idea why I was trying to feed it into the actual zipper part, but once I knew that, I was good to go. So let me know in the comments down below if this has actually helped you with this thing, and yes, we can now get on to using it.